anyway, the plan is get out the bag, the washing up liquid, pour it into the top of the waterfall. Martin! 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 Be your name, Martin! So we're going to pour it in now and see what effect it has. Look at it, it's gone in now! Drizzle, drizzle, it looks like a lemon drizzle cake. Lemon drizzle cake. It needs a little bit of cleaning. Everything. Get a fucking... I am coming down. I want to say my verse. I can't do it. And now we're going a long hike away from the flying patches. Fuck me, man! I didn't expect to do that. That's pyramid. Woo! That's fucking... Yeah, I didn't expect that. Look at that, check the green it is. And that, look at that, man. That's from the top of the waterfall.
Oh, you're supposed to do that.
Oh, that's from man.
Said it's got dinner, man.
Right.
I was on video.
The waterfall's had a wang and it's come! It's come! Get in, man, look at that. I didn't even see it filling up. It's fucking dirty for what? Look at the cool, man.
I should go to home, man. Right, you're talking about a bubbly back now.
It looks like it's snowed. That's just me. And me washing up liquid. And that's mint, that, like. Quality, quality, quality. Look at these bubbles here. Look at these bubbles. Yeah, zoom in. That's that. Go on, get in. What a stupid sound you zoomed in. Oh, that's what. Harrison. Good lad. Oh, Chaz, you're a fucking hell, you fucking arsehole.